Hello dear student, today we are discussing here the double integration, the important topic in the semester 2 engineering mathematics to Mumbai University. Okay, so in this double integration the concept is very simple. To find here the area of the curve bounded by the given curve. So what are that curves? First of all, that these limits are considered as a curve, and from that limits something, the region of integration we will get, the region of integration, and after that the region of integration, that area we have to calculate. Okay, so this area we can calculate with the help of this uh, double integrations. So basically the area is bounded by the two-dimensional axis or two-dimensional space, and if in case of the three-dimensional space, then obviously there will be the x, y and z variables. So we are using that triple integration, but in these conditions the double integration, in this case the double integration, in this case we are finding here suppose a double integration. So let us see here the concept of the double integrations. So first we have to check here the limits of the integration. So what are the limits? So first limit are the constant. Okay, so we can observe here, suppose it is a constant limits, then answer obviously a constant, and second limit that contain a variable. ओके, कौन सा वेरिएबल गिवन है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ, चेक करेंगे इसमें कांस्टेंट है और इसमें वेरिएबल है. दैट मींस वेरिएबल इट इज यूज्ड, which variable? X variable. That time remember we have to first apply y variable. Okay, first we have to apply the with respect to y first. So once you identify which integration we have to apply first, then it is very simple. In this case x variable it is present, then we have to apply first the integration with respect to x. So according to that we have to write first the integration I, integration from 0 to 1, then inside integration first we solve 0 to x and function as it is, there is no change, and then first we apply the y. Okay, and after that with respect to x. So first we solve here the bracket integration, that means inside the integration, then outside integration and its limit as it is. Then we are applying the integration with respect to y. That time remember that x variable as a constant. So only apply the integration of y variable. It is similar to x with respect to x, which is nothing but x square by 2. Then x y is there, and with respect to y, that time the integration it is solved like this: integration x because of the constant with respect to y, then y with respect to y. So similar, it is x with respect to x, here y with respect to y, therefore it is what? Y square by 2. Then we can rewrite this term in this form: x y square divided by 2. Okay, then after the last term, that is dx. Okay, so in this way first we have to simplify the integration with respect to what? With respect to y variable. Okay, everything it is depend on limit of the integration. So double integration में बस इतना ही ध्यान देना है कि कौन सा लिमिट पहले इंटीग्रेशन अप्लाई करना है. ठीक है, then after the limits here we can apply. So what are the limits for this integration? Lower limit is 0, upper limit is x. Okay, so while applying the second integration, first solve the integration limits. Okay, so here constant terms are there, what? 2 constant and x constant, because we are done the integration with respect to y. So that will be outside x upon 2. The rest of the part, that is only y square. So in place of y square put upper limit, then lower limit. So it will be x square by, okay, 2 also outside, minus lower limit, it is 0. So in this way we can done here the first term. Then after we are solving the integration 0 to 1. After solving this x into x square, that will be x cube, and this 2 we can write outside in this way. Okay. Now again this integration form, it is very simple. 1 by 2 out as it is x raised to power 4 divided by 4. Then limit from 0 to 1. Just solve this 1 by 2. If I am putting the upper limit, then rest it is 1 by 4 minus lower limit, it is 0. And finally we can write the answer of this will be 1 by 8. Okay. So this is just a basic example of double integration. I hope you understood this term double integration, how to apply. Okay.